all the places that we did spot welds, you really can't tell too much. Hi, welcome back. Getting here kind of early today, but I don't got much time out here. I think today we're gonna jump on the Bronco, kind of grind down these welds some, maybe put a little bit of welds through here, kind of make it look a little bit nicer. Anyways, grind most of the welds down and spray some of that rust preventative on it. I'm probably gonna spray the whole kick panel. Reason being is I don't know when we'll put the door pillars on, so we're gonna get that metal protected. And then once we get the door pillars how you want them, I'll go ahead and grind down where we're gonna weld. That's all I got planned for today. Like I said, I don't got very much time out here, so let's head over there and I'll show you a little bit more. All right, I think we're gonna, like I say, grind these down all the way through here, kind of sand this back some. Try to get rid of all this rust and maybe put some more welds in here and grind this back down. I need to do it up here and on here, but I may not get to that today. But my main objective is get this kind of cleaned up better, get this all down to metal, and spray it with some of the rust reformer. I think we're gonna weld this a little bit first, grind it back down, and start grinding all these spot welds. So I'm gonna set you over here and get to work. All right, I'm getting kind of excited about how it's turning out. See, we really don't see any spot welds anymore, except for I need to weld up a few little holes here. Need to grind that one down a little bit better. Maybe a spot right there. But we're gonna go ahead and plug these right quick, then we'll grind back down. I'm gonna try to get up to here and then hopefully paint this all, and call it good, hopefully. Well, we got the kick panel outside covered. Didn't look too bad, if I say so myself. All the places that we did spot welds, you really can't tell too much. That's just wet paint, but just a few spots down here. Some on finger. You can kind of see where we had some, but everywhere else it looks pretty nice. And even that turned out okay-ish. For focus, those welds still, but that airbox thing goes right here. Kind of angles down over that, so that will be covered eventually. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. That's what it looks like. Stand back a little ways. And I'm glad I got that painted and protected a little bit. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Like I said, we just finished that panel out. Got some rust reformer on it, kind of protect that while it sits. I do need more rust reformer, so I'm gonna go buy a couple more cans of it. Next time we're either gonna jump back on the Bronco, start going over this pan, getting all that cleaned off, or we may do the other fender on the truck. Don't really know. Anyways, sorry for the short video today. I know not much. Liking how that looks, we may, we could continue on up over the dash as well and go across that area, but we still got a lot left to do. We'll probably do something with the Bronco next time, and wait till some parts come in for this. I do need to put the other fender on, so next video may be a mix between this and the Bronco. I don't know. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Like I said before, I don't know if I'm switching it up or not. Today I feel pretty good, so I don't feel like it, but I don't know. But we mainly work on old stuff, trying to get it fixed and running, and hopefully some of them restored, and this one's just going to be a good driver. Just putting everything back on it and hopefully driving it soon. But with all that said, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. May bounce between these two builds. This one I know I can get on the road a lot faster than the Bronco. The ones we're concentrating on are these two. This one for the short build truck, and the Bronco it's probably gonna take another year or two maybe. The way I'm going, the rate I'm going at with. But anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, please come back. If you have any suggestions on what you want to do on the Bronco, please put them down in the comments. But I think I'm going to continue on with the paint removal and painting. But if y'all have any suggestions or want to see something, don't hesitate to put it down. I'll look at it, and we may shoot a video over it. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.